What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to buy MELANIA token. This one was just launched recently and it's on Solana blockchain. I'm going to show you 3 different ways how to do that. Before I show you how to do that, just have to say something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your research before investing money into anything. So first we need to go to Twitter account Melania Trump, and then in here just open up melaniameme.com, and also I would recommend copying this address. So if we do that, this page is gonna appear, and then right here there are 2 different options: buy with the card and buy with crypto. So if we buy with card or with crypto, it's gonna take us straight to Jupiter. But first way, I want to show you also how to do that with the MoonPay. So once we copy Solana token address, and then we go to App Store, we download Moonshot, and then in here what we need to do is, you can see, we can see official Trump token, but right here we're gonna, in the search bar, we're gonna paste that contract address we just copied, and then we press on it right here, and this is where we can buy. Just press on buy, set the amount and what you're gonna be paying with. Once you do that, swipe to deposit, and it's gonna give you MELANIA tokens. So this is one way how to do that. Then the second way, we can use BitUnix centralized exchange. It's an amazing exchange. It does not require KYC, and it can be used in US as well. So just register here if you've never done it before. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below for this exchange as well. Once you register, you just use your email, confirm, and that's it. You're gonna be good to go. You go to spot, and then you'll have to also deposit money here, and to do that just press on wallet and then press on deposit, and you'll just have to deposit either USDC, USDT, Ethereum, or whatever you like, and you can use Coinbase or Binance or any other exchange that you're going to be using. And then in here actually just press on deposit and then choose which token you would like to transfer here, either ETH or anything, and then choose your network. Let's say on Base, it's going to give you address, copy, and then just send money over here. So let's go back to spot, and then in spot you'll just press on BTC USD and type MELANIA here, and then choose MELANIA USDT. Once you do that, this is gonna appear, and this was actually just listed on this exchange just recently. So what we need to do, just scroll down, either limit order or market order. Press on market order, set the amount how much you would like to buy, and then press on buy MELANIA, and that's it. Order is placed and it's fulfilled right away because we're using market order. And if we go back to the wallet, spot account, and as you can see right here, we have 1.2 coin of MELANIA. And that's pretty much it. This is another way how to purchase MELANIA token on centralized exchange without even worrying about Phantom wallet. And then the third way how to do that is to swap at Jupiter. So go to jup.ag, and then right here connect with the Phantom wallet, and you also have to have Solana or USDC or any other tokens that you're going to be using to purchase MELANIA token with. So in here, what we need to do, we need to press on this arrow, and then right here, paste that contract address, the one we copy from their official website, and then it's MELANIA token. You press on it, and then how much you would like to spend for this token, and then in here, just press on either USDC or Solana, and then press on the amount, press on max, and this is how much you would be getting for just, I have only 21 cents, but if you would have more, you would be able to just swap and purchase token over here, and they would appear in your Phantom wallet once you would go through the official process. And this is like Solana, and this is where you would see your MELANIA tokens. And this is pretty much it. This is 3 different ways how you can purchase MELANIA tokens, and all the links I'm gonna leave in the description below. Good luck to everybody, and thanks for watching.